Good morning. Conversation between waidress and the client. May I take your order? Yes, I like a hamburger and a large of French fries, please. All right. And would you like salad? Yes, I have a mixed green salad. Okay. What kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a large soda, please. Conversation between waitress and the client. Can I take your order? What's on the menu? We have burgers, hot dogs, and roast chicken. I would like 2 hot dogs. Do you want something to drink? Yes, I do. I would like to drink some Coke. Would you like anything else? Thanks. That's enough.